I'm here to talk a little bit to you about security when you are using messaging apps, because this is a very, very important question nowadays as more and more of our communication goes into apps like Viber. When it comes to chatting, making calls, sending videos, pictures, and of course, probably your favorite stickers, as you can see here on my background. So I have a couple of tips for you that are very important to follow in order to be safe and at the same time to keep the richness of your communication. The first tip is when you are on an app like Viber, never share your mobile number with people that you don't know. So in this way, you won't receive messages from numbers that can potentially bother you. So unless you share your number personally with somebody, nobody can find you on Viber, because we don't share the profiles of our customers. They are not searchable. You can't find them by any other name or location. So Viber is very private and we make sure that we stay that way. The other tip that I can tell you is that when you receive a message from a number that you don't know, review it, and if it bothers you, use the option to block it. It is very easy to find it. It's in the options of every chat list, and the moment you block it, and probably a couple of other people block it, we make sure that this number and this person is kicked out of Viber and that he won't bother anybody else in the future. Also, of course, if you receive such messages, always tell your teachers or your parents as well. The other thing which is important is to look not only at the pictures and the names of the people that you chat with, but also to their phone numbers, because the phone number is something that nobody can change or can fake. So if you know this number, this is fine. But the pictures and the names is something that on any social network and on any messaging app can be duplicated, and you can create a fake profile. So always look at this number, and then you will have a great communication on Viber. And the most important thing about us is that we use end-to-end encryption. This means that we are making sure that nobody can read your messages and can have access to all the information that you send. So only you and the person that you are communicating with have the keys to unlock the messages. So even when they pass through our servers in order to be delivered on the other side, they cannot be opened by us. We also don't store any of this information on our servers, and we don't keep any archives, we don't gather your data. So this basically means that your identity and your personal communication is in your hands and only in your hands.
Viber, for 100% privacy. Download Viber now.